Hi you guys, welcome to my video today. I am doing a grocery haul video for you. I just got back from my Walmart grocery pickup that I go once a week, and I get everything that we need for the week and plan out all the meals so I make sure we get all the right ingredients for the week. So this week I got under budget, which sometimes I'm surprised, but my budget is usually $200 per week. Summertime, we've been going a little bit over or like right on, so I have been really trying to stick to it. So this week came in at $197, so totally right on budget, which I love. And actually what I did before I did the grocery list was I went through the pantry to check everything and check the freezer for everything that we had, so I could kind of work our meals around stuff that I already had on hand. So I'm going to show you everything I got in my grocery pickup. I just love the Walmart service. I just go on and basically do a reorder each week because we love the same things. My kids like the same stuff, and I like to try new things, but you know, we always kind of have the same staples. So I'm going to go through and show you everything we got for the week. Got some awesome stuff. We're going to have some super healthy meals this week, which, you know, if you've been around my channel, I love healthy, easy, simple cooking. But so I'm going to share with you everything we got. If you're new to my channel, make sure you click subscribe and click the bell button next to subscribe. Tons of grocery hauls and tons of meal prepping as well. So if you need some motivation to do some meal prepping, make sure you click subscribe and check out all my meal prep videos. So I'm going to show you everything I got for the week in my grocery pickup. All right, so this is everything that I got in our haul. So all of our food for the week. I will start over on this end. I have our chicken for the week, and I have some ground turkey. I have this sparkling bubbly water. This is the blackberry flavor. It is really good, super refreshing. I have been having like some mocktails lately, trying to cut back a little bit on alcohol. So I use this with a little squirt of water enhancer and put it on ice in a cocktail glass, and I feel like I'm having a cocktail. So that's fun. I got 2 of these Greek yogurts because they are my husband's favorite and we were totally out. So 2 of those to stock up. Big, huge bag of cheese to stock up. My favorite Caesar dressing, and it is just the best. I love this one. Lighthouse. It's like a thick, kind of like a thicker dressing, but it is so, so good. It's definitely my favorite. Cottage cheese. Love cottage cheese as a snack. This is kind of the cheese section here, the dairy section. Got some shredded mozzarella and some string cheese because we're totally out of string cheese. Sliced cheese and ricotta cheese. I know it kind of seems like a lot of cheese, but I'm going to be doing all kinds of different things with it. I got my collagen that my husband and I both use. I put this in my tea in the morning, and I also get it on Amazon, but I was totally out, so I wanted to grab one. This is the exact same one that I get on Amazon. So wanted to grab it from Walmart. It's the same exact price. So got one of those. And then I got this sliced turkey breast. I love to have this sliced turkey breast, a little piece of cheese on one of my 0 carb tortillas that if you've been around my channel, you know I get those every single week, but I totally got stocked up last week, so I didn't pick any up this time. But that's like my favorite like lunch or snack. I've got our avocados. These are looking a little not ready to go. They're a little hard, but they'll probably just take a couple days to ripen up. Our water enhancers. I love this fruit punch one. My husband likes the grape one, and they're just really awesome. I just love putting them in water just to make me drink more water. I got zucchinis, some grape tomatoes. I'm not sure if you've saw years back, there was that viral cooking video, and it was feta cheese and grape cherry tomatoes, and you just bake it in the oven, and it turns out it is so, so delicious. So I'm going to be making that because it is so good. I'm going to make that this week. I got some black beans, some frozen edamame. We love frozen edamame. It's so easy. It just steams right in this bag. Back here is our pancake and sausage on a stick. My kids absolutely love these. I used to make them myself. I just haven't had any time. We've been so busy this summer. So they absolutely love these. Some sugar-free Jell-O. We've been eating a lot of Jell-O this summer, so I got a couple more boxes of that. are yogurt covered raisins. My husband puts these in his lunches, a little box each day. So they are delicious. A big thing of red raspberry preserves, and that's for peanut butter and jelly sandwiches. I got some bell peppers. I'm going to do some fajitas this week with the pack of chicken. Got our blueberries. These are like pretty big blueberries this week, but we go through a thing of blueberries every week. If you've been around my channel, you know I get these bowls just about every single week. They're a mini like taco bowl, and my kids love them. And I also get the hard shells as well. We do tacos at least once a week, and they're so easy and quick. So especially like on busy nights, we definitely just throw in some tacos. A box of popcorn. The boys love snacking on popcorn. So I get this light butter one, and it's good. A big old box of multigrain Cheerios. Zachary has been totally in a Cheerio mood lately. Pretzels, awesome snack for the kids. Carrots, another snack for my kids. They're huge snackers. A thing of sandwich thins for my husband's lunches. I got some broccoli for dinner. It's my kids' favorite vegetable, so we always have broccoli at least once a week. I got this bag of spinach to make some green spinach muffins that my kids absolutely love. They beg me for them, and I don't think they really know how healthy they are. They don't have any added sugar in them, so I really, whenever they ask for them, I try and make them as much as possible. So spinach is for that. Chia seeds, we love chia seeds, chia seed pudding, and my husband puts it in his smoothies, so definitely needed a big bag to stock up on chia seeds. Some tortilla chips. This Cantina style is so good. They make so many different styles of chips now, but this Cantina style one is really good. You know, if you've been around my channel, I am obsessed with apple cider vinegar. So definitely had to get one to stock up. I still have some in my pantry, but I never want to run out. So that one's the backup. I got our bananas for the week, and then a big, huge bag of apples because my family goes through a bazillion apples a week. So these are our groceries. This is everything we'll have for the week, and then we'll be all set. So I hope you enjoyed this Walmart grocery haul for the week. And make sure you click subscribe if you're new. Hope you have a really wonderful day. Hope you are staying cool. We are in a heat wave right now in California, so it's supposed to cool down in a couple days, so that's very exciting. So anyways, I hope you have a really wonderful day, and leave me a comment if you have any questions, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.